hidden water leak can damage walls, flooring, and framing long before you see standing water. The fastest way to confirm one is to stop all water use and watch your water meter. First, turn off every faucet and water-using appliance. Make sure the dishwasher, washing machine, water softener, irrigation system, and ice maker are not running. Don't close the home's main shut-off valve yet. Record the meter reading or photograph it, and check the small leak indicator if your meter has one. Wait at least 2 hours without using any water. If the reading changes, water is flowing somewhere in the system. The EPA recommends this meter comparison as a basic household leak test. Start with toilets because they can leak silently. Add a few drops of food coloring to each toilet tank and wait about 10 minutes without flushing. Color appearing in the bowl indicates a leaking flapper or flush valve seal. Flush afterward to prevent staining. Next, inspect beneath sinks, around water heaters, behind appliances, and near exposed pipe connections. Look for dampness, corrosion, peeling paint, swollen cabinets, musty odors, or unusually warm areas on the floor. If the meter still moves but every visible fixture is dry, close the home's main shutoff valve. A meter that continues moving may indicate a leak between the meter and the house. If it stops, the leak is likely somewhere inside the home's plumbing. Moisture meters and thermal cameras can help narrow the location, but they do not prove exactly which pipe has failed. Avoid opening walls based only on a stain. A plumber can isolate pressure lines and confirm the source before unnecessary demolition. Comment where you first noticed the warning sign: the meter, a smell, a stain, or an unusually high bill.